Yo, what's up, my peeps? Hope everyone's doing good today. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about what is affiliate marketing, okay? But today I'm actually going to show it to you guys on the computer. But before we go ahead and get started, I just want to say thank you for tuning back into this channel. And for those of you guys who are liking the content, please make sure you guys subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. So for whenever I put a new video out there, you guys will get a notification that it's out. And yeah, so for those of you guys who are barely tuning into this channel is going to be mainly about affiliate marketing and maybe slash vlogs as well, and then maybe later on down the road eventually Amazon, but as for now it's going to be affiliate marketing. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. I like to love you. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the reason why I decided to show you guys like this is because that way I could show you visually and it's a little bit more better, so that way you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so now affiliate marketing. Okay, what is affiliate marketing, guys? When you guys hear that, you guys are probably thinking, oh, it has to do something with advertising because it's marketing, right? Okay, well, you're pretty much taking a product or service from a company, selling it online to make a commission. That's what affiliate marketing is, guys. Okay, it's that easy. So now you guys are probably wondering, okay, well, how do you get the product? So pretty much what you do is you go to a company online and you just type in the company's name and then slash affiliate program, right? And then you're just checking to see if they have an affiliate program, and you know, pretty much so that way you can sign up and get the affiliate link and go start making, you know, your commissions. Okay, but it really depends on what niche you guys are going to hit. Meaning it could be health, fitness, it could be making money online, it could be camping, it could be anything, guys. Anything, okay? You can find anything, a product. You can go on Amazon. They have an affiliate program. You get a commission for every product that sells. And then if you do decide to do Amazon, what happens? Back then it was 7 days. Okay, when you have the affiliate link, they don't have to purchase that product, right? Let's just say if you're selling a coffee maker, right? And let's just say they click to the link that you're advertising, and they don't decide to get the coffee maker, but they go inside and they purchase something different, but they went through your link, you're still getting a commission for whatever they buy. So let's just say they could go in and they want to do a haul, right? You're getting, let's just say 7 sales. If they want to buy 7 things, you're getting 7 sales right there, okay, off of each one. That's pretty awesome, right? So back then it was 7 days. Now they lowered it and it's only 24 hours. Yeah. So I would really recommend you do Amazon once you have a little bit bigger following. If you're gonna decide to do YouTube or you know, Instagram when you have a little bit bigger following, okay? But I will be talking to you guys about that later in different videos. So now you guys are probably wondering, okay, well, what's the next step? How do I get people to go to my link? Okay, that's what you call traffic. What is traffic? So now you're gonna have to start thinking about either going into Google advertising, Facebook advertising, Bing advertising, Instagram advertising, and YouTube. Okay, Facebook and Instagram are kind of the same thing because they are connected, but Instagram allows you to set up all your tools through your smartphone, and Facebook allows you to go use your laptop because they give you more features on there. Okay, I mean, they do allow you to go on your smartphone, but it's better to use it on the laptop or desktop, whatever it is that you're going to use. Okay, and that's paid traffic. Now if you go on YouTube, you can start putting out videos, bringing traction, and you're pretty much getting people to subscribe to your channel, and you're putting the link down below so people could check it out, and you get a commission off of that depending on what niche you target. Okay, so that's free traffic. So now right here, pretty much you're getting people, the traffic to go down your funnel. And what is a funnel? You pretty much what that is you're taking people to an opt-in page, an opt-in page where the opt-in page is going to be where you collect an email. You can offer something for free in order for you to get the email. Okay, so you're kind of doing an exchange, guys. Okay. And that's what you want, because the email, your back end, is going to be where you make the most money, the most sales, commissions, wherever you want to call it. Okay, just remember that. Yes, you will possibly make money. I'm not guaranteeing it. You will make money in the front end, but just remember this, that the back end is the most critical part, guys, because this is where you're really going to make money. Why do I say that? It's because you're getting people to trust you. When you're right here, you're sending traffic to your opt-in page. People don't know you. They're just seeing, clicking what you're clicking to the site, seeing what you're about, and so they're gonna be like, okay, well, I'm getting the free thing. Let me check it out. So during down here, okay, let's go ahead and get started. Right here, so as soon as they click in to your opt-in page, they're giving you your email, which they're gonna send them to your email list. Okay, and your email list is you could use platforms such as GetResponse, Builderall, ClickFunnels is one of the main things. And there's MailChimp. I really wouldn't recommend it, guys, because they're really frowned upon affiliate marketers. So I mean, the best ones I would honestly go with is ClickFunnels, GetResponse, Builderall, or even Aweber as well. Okay, but I will be talking to you guys more about that in later videos as well. And then, so this is what happens. You get your traffic, you go into your opt-in page. As soon as they type in their email, okay, they go to your email list, and then you're going to send them a thank you page. Oh, sorry, guys, my spine. Oh, my spine's off. You're going to send them to your thank you page, okay? So once they're in your email list, you're going to send them something right away. Okay, and what's that? You're gonna send them something of value. Okay, you're giving, this is the thing that you're sending of value, is your free item that you decided to give for that specific niche. Okay, so say this is day one, you're giving them value. Now, let's just say they go on to the next day. What are you gonna do? You're gonna give them another thing of value, something related to that niche. Let's just say you're doing fitness, right? So right here on your opt-in page, okay, you're giving them something for free, which is this part right here. You're giving them something for free that has to do with fitness, that's going to be beneficial for them. Now day two, same exact thing, just in different categories. Okay, it has to be relative, guys. Okay, so now day three, oh, sorry guys, hold on. Day three, same thing, value. Okay, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Why are you doing this? Why is this necessary? It's because you're building trust with the customer. When they're right here, they know nothing of you. Okay, but you bring them down to your email list, you're sending something of value, and they're like, oh, okay, well, this person's actually taking the time to send me this free stuff that's really going to be useful for me. And what happens? You start to build trust. So you're warming them up. So when you get to day 4, right? When you get to day 4, you send them the product that you're going to promote. This is the affiliate link, okay, guys? And this is where you make your commission, okay? This is what happens right here. And then let's just say you want to go to day 5. Boom! Since you already have them warmed up, you can hit them with another product. Boom! That has to do with that niche, okay? So what happens next? Let's just say, okay, I'm done sending them products right now. Okay, I'm good, because you want to give them a rest. You don't want to wear them out, okay, or spam them with all these products. So day 6, let's just say you decide to take a break. You take a break. You won't send no emails whatsoever. Let's just say day 7, you send them another value. and you just continue it. You just continue it, guys. You know, you're building trust with your customers. So within time, you're building your email list. People are starting to trust you, and then this is where you start getting recurring commissions, passive income, guys. Okay, this is what this is, and this is how it works. Okay, so if you guys, first off, if you guys have any questions, please leave the questions down below, comment below. If you guys like this video and if I brought you a value, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and the notification will come up on your phone once I put more videos out there. Bear with me, guys. This is my third video that I'm creating. Yeah, so I'm kind of nervous. This is new to me. I'm not used to recording this type of stuff. But yeah, so again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, guys, okay? And also comment below. Let me know what's up. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media, go ahead and check it out. I'll have the links down in the description. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. And cool, I'm out. Every day. I like to love you, love you.